Hello dear students, today we are studying how can we find out equivalent fractions by division method. Okay, equivalent fractions by division. Yesterday, previous class we learned how can we find the equivalent fractions by multiplication. That is quite easy one, isn't it? Just multiply both the numerator and denominator with the 2, 3, 4 like that numbers. Then you can get what are equivalent fractions by what are multiplications. But this is division. This is also what are equivalent fractions, but we are reducing a whole big fraction into small terms. Understand? So in the case of what equivalent fraction by multiplication, actually we are what make it as big, isn't it? For we are taking a small fraction like 1 by 2. When we multiply, it will become 2 by 4, isn't it? So a small fraction is but getting, but the size is increasing, but in the case of dividing, it will be reduced to the last times. Okay, so how can it possible? Okay dears, in your textbook one question is there, that one we have to do now. C and D, isn't it? C, that means question number so it says 1.1, question number 2 C, isn't it? Question number 1.1, question number 2 C, we have to do in this way by dividing what this fraction by division. Understand? Not multiplying. If it is multiplying also, you can get a what you can find what equivalent fractions. When you multiply with the 2, 3, we can find it. But this fraction is quite big, isn't it? So when you are going to multiply, you will get bigger numbers. That is okay, no problem. But here we can do division. We can reduce it. Understand? So how can we do that? Here this fraction, how can we reduce? First you have to write the factors of 16 and 32. Understand? We know how can we write that. 1 into 16, 2 into 8, 4 into 4, and 5 into 5 is not there, 6 into 6 it is not there, 7 it is not there, then 8 is there, then repeating. So these are the factors of 16. 32, 1 into 32, 2 into 16, okay, then 3 is not there, 3 plus 2 5, so this is not a factor of 32, is not in the table of 3. Then 4 8s are 32, isn't it? 4 8s are 32, okay, 4 8s are 32, 5 is not there, 6 it's not there, 7 not there, then 8, then already 8 we already. So these are the factors of 16 and 32. Here we have to find the common factors. What are the common factors of 16 and 32? Here, which are the common factors you can see? 16 is a common factor, isn't it? Both we have 16. Then 2 is on both sides. So 2 is a common factor. Now 4 is there and 8 is there, isn't it? 4 and 8. So 16 to 4, 8. We have already studied it. How we are making common factors. So 16 to 4, 8. So this is the thing we needed. We have to find out the common factors of these numbers 16 and 32. Okay. Now using this one we are going to find. Okay. What are the common factors we found? 16. I'm writing 2, 4, 8, 16. Okay. This is 2, 4, 8, 16. I arrange it like this way. Now if you divide both the numerator and denominator using this common factor, then you will get the answer. Okay, that means to get the equivalent fractions by division method, you have to divide this both numerator and denominator with this common factors of 16 and 32. Okay, so 16 by 2, 32 by 2. What is the answer? 16 by 2. What is 16 by 2? 16 by 2. 16 by 2 is what? 8 2s are 16, isn't it? So here we will get a 8. 32 by 2. 32 by 2. You have to, when you divide, you will get what? 1 2s are 2. 3 minus 2 1. Then 12. 6 2s are 12. Then what is your answer? 8 by 16. This is the answer you got on there, isn't it? In your textbook you can see. First one you get a 8 by 16. In this way we got a 8 by 16. Then what is the next factor? How can we write it? Now you have to find the factors, next factors, which numbers, isn't it? Here. Here you have to find it, isn't it? So what we other common factors we got? 2, 4, 8, 16, isn't it? So 2 is already finished. Now take 4. You have to divide 16 by 32 by 4. Okay. Then you will get a 4 4s are 16, isn't it? 4 8s are 32. So what is the answer? 8. 4 by 8. So what is the next number? 4 by 8. Understand? Now you have to divide 16 by 32 by 8. Then I am writing here. Okay. 16 by 32. What is the next number? 16 by 32 divided by this one. 8. 4 we finished. Then 8. What will you get? 16 by 8. 2 8s are 16. So 4 8s are 32. So what will you get? 2 by 4. Now what is 16? Understand? So just to do next one. Okay, then you will get it. Next one. Okay. This way we are finding out things. Okay. We are dividing 16 by 16. So last one also I will write. Okay. Last one what will you get? 16 by 32. Isn't it? So 16 by 32 divided by 16 by 16. Isn't it? 16 by 16 1 will get. 32 by 16 is 2. So what is the last one? 1 by 2. So this is the way. These are the numbers we need to write there. Okay. So this is the way we are finding what are equivalent fractions by division. Okay. I hope that it is clear to you now. Next one you can try. What you have to do it is, what is the next number? 24 by 36. Isn't it? 24 by 36. How can we find it? 24 by 36. First you have to find the factors of 24 and 32 like this way. How can we write it? 1 into 24, then 2 stable, 2 into 12 will get 3 stable, 3 8s are 24. Okay, then 4 6 are 24. Many factors are there, isn't it? Then 4 6, then 5 is not there, then again 6 will come, just stop. Okay, then 32, how can we write it? 1 into 32, then 2 stable, 2 into 60, 32, isn't it? 32. 24 by 36, okay? First case. 32 we are already. 24 by 36 it is, okay? 1 into 36, 2 into 18, then 2 into 18 is 36, okay? Then 3 times of 12 is 36. Okay, 3 times of 12. Then 4 stable is 4 9s are 36. Isn't it? 5 stable it is not there. 6 is there. 6 6 are 36. 7 stable it is not there. 7. And 8 stable. No, 8 stable it is not there. Okay. Then 9 already we wrote. So it's not. This is enough. Okay. Then find out the common factors. Here what we can see. Common factors. One is common factor for everyone, so no need to take. And 24 is there, no, 24 is there. And 2 is there, isn't it? Then 12 is there, isn't it? Then 3 is here, 3. 8 is not there. 4 is there. Then 6. So these are the common factors. Just write the common factors. Then divide both numerator and denominator with these common factors. You will get the other answers. Okay, just try it. Okay. So this is the way we have to find out by division. Okay. So in next question, that is fill in the blanks questions. Okay. That also you might be confused. Okay. Because that is somewhat it is by division method we are used. Okay. So I will give an explanation for that one also. Third one. Okay. Third one, fill in the blanks. Okay. Fill in the blanks. First one. What is the first one? 1 by 3. So 1 by 3. Okay, here down it is what? 80. So here you have to think 1 by 3, 3 becomes 18. 18, 3 denominator become 18. And what will be on here? How can we get this answer? This is an equivalent fraction. 1 by 3 is equal to dash by 18 is different, isn't it? 1 by 3 is equal to dash by 18. So you have to think how this denominator become 18. How it's become 18? 3 become 18 means it's by multiplication only. I told you something is get a bigger, one fraction is getting bigger size means it will be multiplied. Reduce ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ചെറുതാവും അല്ലേ? It will be reduced means it will be size will be reduced. When we divide what we see, it reduced, size reduced. Divide ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ചെറുതായിരിക്കും. But when we multiply the fractions, equal to fraction ആണെങ്കിൽ it will be but it will increase, the size will be increased or the number will be more. Okay, so 3 become 18 by multiplying with which number? 3 6 are 18, so we multiplied 6, that we have to think. But 3 and 6 which multiply 18 get it, understand? So like that we have to multiply what 6 on here too, 1 into 6, so what will you get? 6 by 18, understand? So ഇതാണ് ഇവിടെ വരുന്നത്, understood? 6 by 18 we will get. Okay, so what is the next one? B 2 by 5, isn't it? 2 by 5 is equal to dash by 25. Okay, can you say 5 become 25? Okay, so multiply with which one? 5 5s are 25, so we have to do that 5 on numerator 2, then you will get it here 2 into 5 10, understand? What the operation we did down here, that you have to do it on what? Numerator 2. That one you have to do. Understand? We have to multiply with the same number in both numerator and denominator to make a equivalent fraction. Okay, so that is for B. Then C. C 3 by 8. 3 by 8, you can see that 3 by 8. 3 by 8 dash by 24. Dash by 24. How 8 become 24? 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. We multiply. When multiply with the 3, it's become 24. Same thing you have to do here, you will get the answer. 3 3s are 9, 9 by 24. Understand? Then D 27 by 36 equal to 3 by dash equal to 21 by dash. Okay, so here it is reduced. 27 become 3. 27 become 3. And the 36 become what? Now equal to 21 by something. Okay, and how it is? How 27 become 3? Just imagine. This is an equivalent fraction. This is an equivalent fraction. We have to use our brain here. So 27 becoming 3. How it will be reduced? By dividing. Divide with what? Divide with the number. Okay, so that will. We divide a number here, that must be the factor of 27 and 36, isn't it? You don't need to find out 27, 36, all the factors, common factors, dividing. If you do that, you will get the answer. Okay, but you don't need to do like that. Okay, you just imagine we divide a number here, that you understood. We divided a number here, that's why it will reduced. So what number we used? 27. To reduce 27, what we used? We all know that 9 3s are 27. Isn't it? 9 3s are 27. So if we divide with 9, we will get 3. 27 divided by 9 is 3. Isn't it? That's why this 27 reduced to 3. Understand? So just imagine, to get that number for division, we have to multiply it. But 27 3 ആയിട്ട് reduce ചെയ്തു അല്ലേ? 27 3 ആയിട്ട് reduce ചെയ്ത്, അപ്പോൾ ഏത് നമ്പറാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് അറിയാൻ ഈ 3നെ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? ഏത് നമ്പർ വെച്ച് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ 27 കിട്ടും നോക്കുക. 3 9s are 27 അല്ലേ? സോ അതായിരിക്കും ഇവിടെ ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ്? സോ 27 by 9 is what? 3. So that same number we have to divide here. So 36 by 9 is what? 4. So here it is clear. 3 by 4 we get it. Then 3 become 21. Now it is increased. So here we multiplied a number. How 3 become 21? 3 7s are 21. Same thing you have to do here. 4 into 7, then 28. 21 by 28. Okay. So that's the thing D. Okay. E you can do yourself. So that is the explanation for these things. Okay. Thank you. Next one, I'll give you on the next video. Okay. Thank you.